Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Well, today I have the day off and so I thought I would take you along with me. Shall we call this a self-care day? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna call it that because I don't really like that I don't really like that term. Anyway, it is just before 11 o'clock. I've done nothing exciting this morning except catch up on emails and drink coffee. And so now I am at the salon and brow bar because I am getting my eyebrows microbladed. I told Adam I was doing this today and he said, "Why are you doing that? Your eyebrows are fine." Well, Adam, fine isn't good enough. They need to be magnificent. I'm just kidding. So I've never had this done before. I've only had my eyebrows ever just waxed. I am like blonde and so my eyebrows are pretty faint and I'm just tired of drawing them on every day. Right now I don't have any makeup on so they look really faint. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here and get this done and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I'm done. You ready? You ready for the after? Before, after. I look angry, don't I? So it looks funny. Oh my goodness. Okay, so never fear, they're not going to be this dark. So you know, if you've had your eyebrows microbladed before, that like, which I never have, but she obviously told me this and I've obviously read this before, that after you first get them done for like the first several days, they are like a lot darker than they will be. So they won't be this dark, but actually they honestly match like my hair pretty well. And I think the other thing that looks funny to me right now is that I don't have any other I don't have any other makeup on, so it just looks like bam, eyebrows. So don't make fun of me in the comments. I'm kidding. Yeah, so it's cold out today. Anyway, she gave me some ointment to put on them. I will say that hurt. Like, it has been over 20 years. Yeah, a good 20 years since I've gotten a tattoo. And that's essentially what it is they're, you know, tattooing this like semi-permanent ink on your face and it freaking hurt. Like, it hurt a lot more than I thought it was gonna hurt. I don't know what I thought. I had no expectations. So anyway, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do now. I need to go to the post office. I was thinking I was gonna go to Joann's and just look at their Christmas decorations. I don't really need a whole lot, but I always like to look and see what they have. Why am I wearing my glasses like this? I also wanted to let you guys know that today's video is a collab with my friend Justine. Justine and I met through YouTube and we've talked, you know, she frequently comments on my videos. I chat with her on Instagram. She has a YouTube channel called Hey Justine and she is going to be posting a working mom day in the life vlog today too. So make sure that you check out her channel and her video. I will link them down below. Please head over there and tell her that I sent you. If you are here from Justine's channel, welcome. My eyebrows usually aren't this dark, but hello, today was the day. So anyway, welcome to my channel. I hope that you stick around, subscribe, check it out, stay a while. But yeah, if you are looking for more working mom content, Justine is your woman. Definitely check out her videos. She does a lot of videos similar to what I do. She does vlogs, grocery hauls, get it all done videos, that kind of thing. And she is also a nurse. And so that is fantastic. So check out her video, go give her some love if you're here from Justine's channel. Thank you. And like I said, my eyebrows they're on fleek. Oh, should I text Adam a picture? He's gonna make fun of me. I know it. One other thing I was gonna mention too is that she also made a follow-up appointment for me in like 4 weeks because she said by then I'll be able to see if like they need filled in or whatever. And the other thing we discussed too is like the shape of them. So originally she had them going out further and I didn't really like that look, but she said that if I, you know, live with them for a month or whatever and decide that I want them to go out further, then she'll do that at the follow-up appointment. But let me know, what tips do you guys have if you've had your eyebrows microbladed before? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think I look stupid? Then again, keep that to yourself. All right, so I'm actually gonna go and get my nails done because I am gonna be out of town next week and I need them done before I go do that. So since I'm out and about, I'm just gonna go in and hopefully, since it's during the day, they won't be super busy. All right, so got my nails done. I really love this color. It's very pretty. Okay, so right now I am at Joann and I'm gonna go in and see what Christmas stuff they have. This is really cute. This little deer and these Christmas trees with the bulbs on them. I love those. Very cute. I love this sign. Oh, this is so pretty. How much is it? It's 50% off, so it would be $30. I feel like that's still a little bit high, but it's very pretty. This stuff is really pretty if you want to do like a white or like a snowy themed decorating. Paper plates are cute also. I love that wreath. That's beautiful. Those are very pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. There's only one left. I might have to get it. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I actually really like this too. Ooh. Okay, so they've got these ornament storage boxes, kind of a smaller one and a larger one, but those are really pretty if that's something that you need. I actually have one that I really like. Those are cute. So they've also got wrapping paper on sale, 50% off, so I might try and check out some of that. Okay, so I'm done in Joann, and I really didn't think they had that much Christmas decorations in there. But anyway, we're getting food truck tacos. These are delicious. I'm actually gonna take them home and eat them. I got a steak torta, and I also got some chicken tacos. I won't be able to eat it all, but I just wanted to show you guys. They have really delicious quesadillas also. Yeah, but I am starving. It's 2 o'clock. All right, so here's the torta I got. It's just a beef torta, and then it's got like beans on it, avocado, cheese, lettuce. I'm probably only gonna eat half of this. I don't know why I got 2 tacos. I only should have gotten one. This is just a chicken taco, and I put some sour cream on it. They gave me some hot sauce. Oh my gosh, this is so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat much of it, but I'm gonna eat it right now. Okay, so for dinner tonight, I'm gonna be making this recipe for pot roast in the Instant Pot. My sister said that she uses this recipe and it's really good. So I've got some chuck roast here. I just kind of cut this into chunks so I could brown it better and fit it into the Instant Pot, but I've got mine here preheating with a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. And the first thing that I'm going to do is put my onion in there and brown that. While that's browning, I'm gonna go and grab my carrots and give those a peel. Okay, so I've browned my onions. I'm gonna remove those. I went ahead and added my carrots in here, and I'm just gonna give those a little bit of color. Okay, and the next step is gonna be to brown my chuck roast. So I just have my olive oil in the bottom of there. I'm gonna brown these pieces, and then I'll finish browning these two. Once it's all browned up, we will deglaze with some red wine. So here are the veggies I cooked up. We're not gonna add these until a little bit later, but you can see they have some really nice color on them. All right, so our beef is cooked. We're gonna deglaze with half a cup of red wine. And I'm gonna scrape all those brown bits up from the bottom of the pot. Okay, so I added some garlic. I'm gonna add about a cup of beef broth. And then the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. So that's what I have in here. I'm gonna stir this around, add the meat back in, and I think the onions. Okay, so no onions back in yet. The onions go in later. So put my meat back in here. I've got my broth in the bottom with the wine. I put in some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme. So we're gonna put the lid on this. And then this is gonna cook on high pressure for 50 minutes. All right, so the 50 minutes are up, and I also let it do a 10-minute natural pressure release. And God, this is falling apart. It looks delicious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the beef to a pan. I'm gonna cover it and let it rest, and then I'm gonna put the veggies back in. All right, so potatoes are in. We're gonna add the carrots and the onions, and I'm gonna cook this on high pressure for, I think, 6 minutes. Okay, so just finished with the potatoes and the carrots. The potatoes turned out really tender, as you can see, as did the carrots. So I'm gonna fix up a plate and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's what my plate looks like. You can make a gravy out of the like au jus, but we don't, or I typically don't. I normally just like spoon the broth over the food. So I've got potatoes, kind of mashed them a little bit, put some butter, salt, pepper, broth, carrots, and the pot roast. This turned out really good. I would highly recommend this recipe. I will link it down below. Okay, so good morning. It's actually the following morning, but I wanted to share with you guys some things that I got in the mail yesterday, or well, within the past few days actually. So I got my Variety Fun Box. This is a monthly snack box that I really like getting because it has a variety of snacks in it. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I really like that they give you a variety, right? So you can see there's granola bars in there, Rice Krispie treats. These are really great because we're gonna be starting swim meets soon. So like single serve snacks like this are always great because I can just throw them in our cooler and take them to swim meets. The kids can use them as snacks for school in their lunches. I do have a coupon code. I believe it's for 25% off, but I'll put all of the information information in the description box below if you want to try it out. I think this is the regular box, but they do have like a fit box. I think they have like a fit box and a fun box, where the fit box has like, quote, healthier things, which that's debatable. But like, I still think this one has a really good variety. Like these popcorners are really good, and these have like way less calories than chips. There's some pop chips in here, and actually I'm probably gonna steal these because these are really delicious, these little cookies. So got that. And then this brand actually just sent me in PR, it's, what is it called, the Immi family, IMMI. So they have these low carb ramen noodles, which Adam is very excited about trying. So there's a spicy beef flavor, tom yum shrimp, and black garlic chicken. Kind of show you how you can serve them there. So these only have 5 grams of net carbs per pack, which I think is awesome if you're doing keto or low carb. So thanks to them for sending me that. I'll link their site down below. And then I also got some more spices from Sincerely Legenia. I've talked about her spices on my channel before. She is great. She sent me a taco seasoning, which is one of their new keto / paleo spice blends. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then I've had this before, the all-purpose keto seasoning. It's really good. And then next year she's going to be coming out with blackened seasoning. I'll link her site and a coupon code down below if you want to support her. Some of her products are actually available in stores now too, which is really great. So definitely go support her. She is kicking ass with her small business. Okay, and then I thought I'd show you quickly what I got from Joann's. So I did end up picking up this large wooden snowflake. This is going to go on my entry table. Right now I have like a big ampersand that I got from Target years and years ago, but I thought this would be good to switch out for the Christmas / winter time. 30 bucks, and this is pretty large, so I was excited about that. I am probably not going to get any more Christmas decorations at all, because I have some from last year, and I'm not really the type of person to buy, you know, brand new decorations every year. So I also decided to get some gift wrap. All of the gift wrap and tags and bows were 50% off. So I got a package of bows. I thought these gift tags were pretty, kind of like a dark red and green. So grabbed those. And then they had some really cute wrapping papers there. So I got 2 of the like longer rolls and then 2 of the shorter rolls. I thought these were really cute patterns. There's like a plaid and sort of like a wood background with these greenery snowflakes. I thought these dogs were really cute, and then the Santa paper too. And then I've never seen these before, I don't think. I got these for stocking stuffers, the Ghirardelli white chocolate sugar cookie. So those look good. But yeah, that's what I got from Joann. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's snowing. Yep. First snow. Probably not gonna stick, it's just like flurries. All right guys, so look at my brows this morning. They are still like healing and red, and I don't know, I'm gonna get in the shower right now and wash my face. And yeah, Adam hasn't stopped making fun of me about my unibrow. And I told him, I said, you know, these are not gonna be like this when, like, for the finished product. They're gonna be like 30% lighter is what she said. So, you know, I will acquiesce to the fact that they look funny right now, but I'm also gonna put like a full face of makeup on today, and we'll see how they look with that. But I hope I didn't make a terrible mistake. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, thank you so much for coming along with me today on this day in the life, my day off. Don't forget to check out Justine's channel. I'll have her video and her channel linked down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.